Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Code for Tech Solutions. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix or solve this error, and this error will occur whenever you click on start button to start the MySQL server in XAMPP control panel, and the error is MySQL shut down unexpectedly. Let us see how to solve this or fix this error. So let me open the XAMPP control panel first. So let us clear the message. Now let us click on start button to start the Apache server, and let us click on start button to start the MySQL server. Now we can see the error has come, like its error is MySQL shut down unexpectedly, and these are some other error messages. Now let us see how to fix this. Now first of all, you can open the exam control panel actual physical folder, and this is our exam folder location. Now here you can search for MySQL. This is the MySQL folder inside that. Now first of all, you need to take the copy of this data folder, so that if anything goes wrong with the data, we will have a kind of backup and we can restore this data. Now let me rename it to folder data. Now let me open, we have taken the backup successfully. Now let me open the data folder which is inside MySQL. Now from here you can select the MySQL first. Next, performance schema, you can click on the control button. Next, text, and there is one more folder, phpMyAdmin. These four folders you can simply delete. Next, you can delete, we have deleted the folder. Now we need to delete the files as well. We can select all the files. Now you can exclude this file which is ibdata1, and you can delete rest of the files. Fine. Now next thing, like we need to go to backup folder, and we can copy everything from here, except this ibdata1, because we have not deleted that from our folder. Now we can copy all the file excluding this ibdata1. Now go back to MySQL data folder, and you can paste it here. Seems good. Now let us start the server again and see how it goes. Fine, now the status is running. Seems good, the issue is fixed with this. Now let me open the admin, and here you can pass your username and password. Yeah, you can see the issue is fixed and it has opened the phpMyAdmin UI successfully. Hope this video will be helpful to you. If you follow the same steps, the issue will get resolved. Thank you so much for watching this. Please like and subscribe the same.